So the next period is epic period, a period between 600 BC to AD 200. And this is a period which covers the age between early Upanishads and the various systems or schools of philosophy. That means the first phase covers the constitution of various hymns compiled by the teachers during Vedic period. And the last phase covers the various schools of philosophy like Buddhism, Jainism, etc. So it is also known as the period of epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata, in which they discussed the relationship between God and man. And the next idea which covers under the epic period is that it is a period of democratization of Upanishadic ideas in Buddhism and Bhagavad Gita. Why it is a period of democratization of that is Upanishads? That means till that day Upanishads are only accessible to the noble elite class of the society. But after Buddhism came into being, they adopted these kinds of ideas from Upanishads, and they make it possible for the common man to access these ideas very easily and to draw ideas to their life. So it is a period of socialization and democratization of these ideas into common man's life. And obviously Bhagavad Gita, it is a Bhagavad Gita is a constitution of various advices given to a human being in order to succeed in life, and that also triggers the socialization of these ideas among common man. And the roots of Buddhism, Jainism, Saivism and Vaishnavism lie in this period. That means these philosophical schools started to sprout during this period. And it is also a period which witnesses the abstract thought being came into being in the name of darshana. That is the real term used for philosophy in Indian context. That is, the vision of truth and reality came into being in this period. So philosophy as a systematized technical form started to develop during this time. And this period can be considered as a framework for Sutra period, because in Sutra period various literary works are being depicted, or they came into being. So naturally it came as a base for Sutra period. Literary work being an imaginative work, it is very important for common man to have access towards knowledge. Then only it is possible for them to have imaginative and creative work in their life. So the work done by Buddhist philosophers and other philosophers who support the socialization and democratization of these ideas of knowledge makes it possible for the Sutra period to have such a huge number of literary work.